Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do chapter 7, classwork number 7. For this one, we are going to reverse the array, but we're going to use different approach. The different approach is we're going to pass the array. So in the main program, we have an array. And we are going to pass this array to the method, to the static method. But then we're going to copy off. We're going to create the duplicate. We're going to create the copy of this array inside your method, then reverse it. Okay, so you download this one, reverse element Java. Once you download this, let's take a look the difference here. I have main, and we just make out this main for these numbers. Okay, and reverse is the method right here. The method take an array data. You are going to return another array. So you return another array. It's named reserved. That's another array. So you take an array, you return array. One more time. You take an array, you return array. In order to do that, you got to have two arrays. So what you need to do is this. You're going to take an array, you're going to return array. And so you say, okay, reverse the data is from this array that copy of. That's a parameter argument is you want to copy of, then you need to have a two argument. First one is the array name data. You copy from data, and you also need to provide data's length. So these now reverse data will be exactly the same as your data right now. So we're going to use J right now. All right. So J equals 0. Okay. Then we're going to make I counting from I. All right. So we reverse. This is how we reverse it. I equal data dot length minus 1. All right. So starting from the last and going to the beginning, I greater than equal 0, I subtract. And here, we're going to make I into j, but j increment. And when we finish, we return that array. Return this array, reverse data, the array. And then we print it out. Okay, so system.out.println printed out this array. Okay, so let's run this program right now. Alright, so array is reversed. But for this program, what you learn is this. You learn it to create a duplicate array. Alright, and this is the algorithm. This is what you're supposed to do. You have an array, double array, and copy from the data. And you need to provide array and also the array's length. Then because we're going to reverse, so we are going to do backwards from the last all the way to the 0 and decrease. I is decrease. And when we go to the J will be reverse data. The J subscript starting from 0 is going to increment. So this is a very interesting way to handle this. There are many ways to handle this, but this is another way, another approach to handle a reverse. But also teach you how to copy another array and how to deal two arrays they are reverse order. I hope you understand this program and you enjoy this program.